Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week's craft is great. This craft is something that you can use your imagination with, and you can design something of your very own. Now, when you get your packet, it's going to look like this. And the first thing you're going to see is that you have a butterfly, and you have a flower. Two simple patterns. And you might want to take those apart. I'll take these apart so that we can look at them while we're working. The next thing you have is a sheet, and it gives you different ideas of how to create a mosaic. Pieces. We do things in pieces when we do a mosaic, in different colors and different textures. And this gives you some ideas of what you might want to do. But remember, you use your own imagination and your own thinking about what you want your picture to look like. Now, I started one for us because this is something that takes a little more time. And this is what I started. I cut my flower out and I put it on a piece of paper after I was all finished. But while I was doing this, I did it on a paper plate. Okay? And you can see different shapes and different sizes of seeds. And guess what? This right here is rice. I think those are radish seeds. So in your packet, you'll get your pictures. You'll get a little package of rice. Everybody gets rice. And some people get yellow peas and some people get green peas. You'll have that package. And then you will get packets of seeds. This one is a pepper plant. This one is a watermelon plant seed. This one bean, and this one is carrots. So you'll have all those seeds to work with. Now, take my advice. Be careful. You have to have something to put those on. This is a radish seed. And I'm going to open up my packet. If I can get it open, there it is. And I'm going to put those on this plate. I can't get them open. There they go. Watch out. They'll go everywhere. If you put them, they'll go everywhere. So put them slow and easy, like that, on a plate, okay? And then you'll need plenty of glue. So take your glue. Can you see here? I'm going to go down here and do this one. Oh, I'm putting on the glue. Oh, yeah. Because I need my radish seeds to stay. Just like that. And then I take these radish seeds, and I'm going to do my best to keep them from going everywhere. I sprinkle them on just like that. Just like that with my finger. And some people might want to even use a little spoon. That's a good way to do it too. But I sprinkle them on, all of the glue, and I keep going until I have all my things covered. Now, if you use white, watch what I'm going to do now. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to dump the rest of them right on there like that. You can do that. Take your finger, smoosh them out like that. Pat them down. Yeah. And look. Oh, I need one more. I'm picky. I need one seed. There is your seed mosaic. And if you do that for every part of your flower or every part of your butterfly, you'll have something unique and special. And someone will love to put this up because it's going to be beautiful. Have fun with that. And then on the back, I don't think I have anything on the back of here. So on this one, you just finish it up and enjoy it. And you can always go back. Oh, I think I need another seed there. And then when you're done with these seeds, put them away and then dump out another packet of seeds on here. And then finish your picture, and you will have something like this. It's a butterfly flower to choose from. Have fun, guys. Bye.